everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, Thanksgiving and holiday season is coming, and it's right time to cook soups that will make you warm in the cold weather. Today I will share with you a recipe of the pumpkin soup with tangerines. Yes, you've heard it right. Let's add some Christmas smell in. The thing I personally love about the soup is color. Imagine bright orange color in your plate in a rainy day. What can be better? Let's get started. For the soup you will need pumpkin, carrot, coconut milk, chicken broth or water, olive oil, green leek, and of course spices: fresh ginger, 1 bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. And since we have Christmas season coming, we will also add tangerines. First of all, we need to cut all the vegetables. I will start to cut pumpkin. It's not so easy to peel the pumpkin, so be careful when you do so. Take out the seeds, but do not throw them away. We will need to use them to decorate our soup. Moreover, pumpkin seeds are full of valuable nutrition. I usually let them dry in 365 Fahrenheit degree oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I'll peel and cut carrot. After that, I'll cut leek. And finally, tangerines. You need to peel them, leave few slices for decoration, and the rest to peel as well. That's it, the hardest part is done. Now we just need to boil everything. Put some olive oil on the pan and add leek. Cook leek on the medium heat for about 2 minutes. Make sure to constantly mix it, so it will not get burned. Next, add carrot and grate some ginger. After that, fry it for about 1 more minute. Then add pumpkin, mix it well, add tangerine and mix it again. Next one, add broth and mix 1 more time. After that, lower the heat and finally add spices: bay leaf, cinnamon, and cloves. Leave it to cook on a low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. All vegetables need to be soft. Before to blend everything, make sure to take out bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and cloves. Once you blend everything, put it back to the pan and add coconut milk, nutmeg, and salt. After that, boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes on the medium heat. The soup is ready. Now you just need to decorate it. Let's add couple slices of tangerines, green leek, few pumpkin seeds, some olive oil, and some pomegranate molasses. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to hit the button below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye and have a wonderful time!